This video helps validate your floor, room, and suite, in addition to locating the access points to the location where we will deliver service. We want your service installation to be successful. To do so, first, locate the entry point. This is where cabling enters the building from outside. If the building has several floors, typically the entry point will be found in the basement or first floor. If the business is in a plaza, for example, it is often centrally located. The property manager or building maintenance can help locate the access points. Second, identify the floor where your business is located in the building. Verify where the floor's closet or IT equipment room is located and ensure we have access. Third, identify the room or suite where service will be installed and activated. Once we deliver service to the building, additional work may be required to extend service from the building's entry point to your floor, room, or suite. You can choose to have Lumen do this extension work, or you may engage another vendor. If you elect to use Lumen to do the building extension, we will help ensure that the extension is complete prior to our engineer activating service. This work would need to be added to your order, and there would be additional costs. In multi-story buildings, risers, which use vertical cabling and carry service between floors, are typically located in either closets or IT equipment rooms. On each floor, horizontal cabling connects the risers to rooms and suites. Review all the details of the order to help ensure your location's floor, room, and suite are accurate. If changes to the order are required at a later time, they can complicate the delivery process, causing delays and leading to additional costs. Before you begin, be sure to identify at each of your locations the on-site local customer contact who can validate the various access points for connecting cabling and installing service. By partnering with Lumen, keeping an eye on the details and responding quickly, you will help the order stay on track and ensure that service is installed in a timely fashion. These keys to success will help you every step of the way. Thank you for partnering with Lumen.